Hello, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below. It will help the channel grow. In this video, I'll teach you how to deposit and withdraw on Kraken Exchange. Kraken is the easy, safe, and secure way to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Now available in a simple on-the-go app for trading and managing your account. Alright, let me open the app. Here's how Kraken Exchange looks like. The app is stylish with very friendly user interface. Below, you'll see the menu tab like Dashboard, Portfolio, Profile Settings, and Swap icon. For you to deposit and withdraw on Kraken Exchange, tap on Swap icon. Here, you'll see 4 options. Buy to purchase crypto with cash, sell crypto for cash, deposit and withdraw cash. For you to add fund using your credit or debit card, select on Buy. Here, you'll see the list of cryptocurrencies that you can purchase. Just scroll down to look for the token. Let me pick Bitcoin. Input the amount you want to purchase, then select the payment method. For funding, you can use your credit or debit card or do a bank transfer to deposit. If you pick the credit or debit card, you'll have to input your card information and so on. However, if you choose deposit, you'll need to do a bank transfer. All you have to do is to select the fiat currency you want to deposit. They support US dollar, euro, Canadian dollar, pound sterling, Swiss franc, Australian dollar, and yen. To know the supported bank, just tap on the fiat currency you want to use. Let me show it to you. For example, if you want to deposit euro by a bank transfer, here are the following things you need to remember. The name on your bank account must match the name registered on your Kraken account. Be sure to include the reference note during your transfer. And lastly, transfers are not instant and may take a few days to process. Click on I understand. Here are the following details for you to do a bank transfer in order for you to fund your account on Kraken. But if you want to swap your crypto to cash, just tap on Sell button. And if you want to withdraw your funds on your Kraken account to your local bank, you just click on Withdraw. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show it to you firsthand since I don't have the fund on my Kraken account. Another way for you to fund your account on Kraken is by going to Dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of cryptocurrency you can deposit. You can just scroll down and look for the token you want to fund. Let me pick Icon or ICX. Then you scroll down and you will see here a shortcut for you to buy it. You can select the amount to $20, $50, or $100 and just hit on Buy icon. Then you select the funding type if you want to use credit or debit card or do a bank transfer. Alright, that's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below and please don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you on my next video.